lovers. Today I'm going to show you how to nail a classic French dish that's a favorite around the world. Steak frites. That's right, we're talking about perfectly cooked steak with crispy French fries and to top it all off, a rich béarnaise sauce. Ready to transform your kitchen into a French bistro? Let's get started. First up, the steak. Choose a good quality cut, like ribeye or sirloin. Let it come to room temperature before cooking. This helps it cook evenly. Season generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Heat a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking hot. Add a little vegetable oil, then place the steak in the pan. Cook for about 3-4 minutes on each side for medium rare, or adjust based on your preferred doneness. Remember, don't move it around too much. You want that beautiful sear. While the steak rests, let's talk fries. I'm using russet potatoes for that perfect crispy texture. Peel and cut them into matchstick size pieces. Soak the cut potatoes in cold water for at least 30 minutes to remove excess starch. Drain and pat them dry. Heat vegetable oil in a deep fryer or a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the potatoes in batches until golden brown, about 3-4 minutes. Drain on paper towels and season with salt immediately. Now for the béarnaise sauce. It's like a hollandaise but with a tarragon twist. In a small saucepan, combine white wine vinegar, white wine, chopped shallots, and tarragon. Bring to a boil and reduce until it's about 2 tablespoons. Strain the mixture and let it cool. In a heat-proof bowl, whisk together egg yolks and the reduced vinegar mixture. Place the bowl over simmering water and whisk continuously until it thickens. Slowly drizzle in melted butter while whisking until you have a smooth, creamy sauce. Season with salt, pepper, and more tarragon. Okay, time to bring it all together. Slice the rested steak against the grain and plate it up with a generous pile of those golden fries. Drizzle the béarnaise sauce over the steak or serve it on the side for dipping. There you have it, steak frites just like you'd get in a Parisian cafe. Remember, the key is quality ingredients and taking your time with each step. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious dishes. Bon appetit, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Dried figs are a delicious and nutritious snack. Soaking them in water boosts their nutrients and digestion. It's better to keep it in the refrigerator for 6 hours. Blend them with water, lemon, and honey for a cool, refreshing drink. This drink is rich in antioxidants, dietary fiber, and natural sugars. Blend soaked figs with cold water, a squeeze of lemon, and a dash of honey. Enjoying this drink regularly can help maintain overall well-being.
Here at Afsan Farm, we believe in the power of good food and its impact on our well-being. Our mission is to present you with mouth-watering recipes that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also nourish your body and soul. We're all about promoting a healthy lifestyle through the magic of cooking, and we can't wait to share our culinary adventures with you.